Now that I've got my web page up and running, I would like a sound, an audio sound. So the first thing you have to do is go to one of the Google sites and download an audio sample. A free one, not a sample, but a free one if you can possibly. This is what I like. It's called Twilight Zone Sting. It's playing on Real Player. So I'm going to go to Design at the bottom of front page. I then want to right click and I want to go to Page Properties. Now I want a background sound. So here we are, it's in General. Now I'm going to go to where I've saved it, which is in my desktop. And I'm going to go to Twilight Zone Sting Horror Sound Effect. Audio file, and I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to then save as index. I want to replace the existing one. In my website then, I want to publish the website, so I'm going to click local to remote. It must be local to remote. And I'm going to click unpublish the changes. Right, save the modified pages. Yes. Twilights, there we are. Non-image file selected. Now you'll see here it's retrieving pages from front page, and in a minute you'll see that it'll begin to save and upload to the internet. So if I go onto the internet and type in, to begin with, let's get back to front page. There we are, it's successful. So I'm now going to go to Yahoo. Oh, there we are, we were on Yahoo. I'm then going to go to sarahjones.com. Excuse the internet, it's a bit slow. And I wonder whether it's working. Yes, it does work. And there we are. That's the tutorial over with.